You're looking for tips about the reading process for your class? It's right now. But before we start today's video, I would like to say a big thank you to today's sponsor, Skillshare, for helping Mikeshomeesl community. What is Skillshare? Skillshare is an online learning community with courses being added all the time. Topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. And anybody can take a class, do a project, and even teach a class, which I think is a great opportunity for you and the Mikeshomeesl community to think about monetizing your knowledge, your skills, and your expertise. The user interface is super cool and easy to use. They have a great mobile app that you can access, and you have the course on the go. Who is Skillshare for? Creative and curious people, lifelong learners, real working creatives, beginners, pros, dabblers, and masters. It's great especially for learning, meaning there are no ads and they are always launching new premium classes so you can stay focused and follow wherever your creativity takes you. You gotta know that on Mikeshomeesl, editing thumbnails takes me a lot of time, and I've never learned how to use Photoshop. So I was looking for a course, and I found this awesome course called Digital Poster Design from Tammy Coker. Tammy is a digital artist and photographer in USA, Texas. He was one of the 7 Adobe Creative Residents for the year 2018 and 2019. Tammy Coker is widely known for his creative approach in photography and design. I've decided to follow him and I've learned a lot about how to use Adobe Photoshop. He gave me many tips and tricks to facilitate my work and avoiding wasting my time. So here is a special offer for you. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description down below will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity today. Hi guys and welcome on the channel. I'm Mike and this channel is here to help you with your English class, whatever if you are teaching ESL or ELA, offline or online. So if you're new in here, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to stay tuned when my videos come up. Today we will go through the first part of the reading process called before reading, and a very useful strategy called skimming. So if it's your first time on this program, ELA teaching tips, make sure to watch the previous video. A link will appear on the top of the screen to better understand what will happen in this video. You know, in education, all steps are important for a better understanding of your students. To explain the first step before reading, I will again ask questions to my students to keep their attention on me. I'll ask them this question first. What do you do before you start to read a whole book? They might be answering, I go to the bookstore to buy one, or I borrow it from the library. Even more funny, I just open it. Then explain them that they have to choose a book and make sure this is the right book for them to read. That's what we called purpose for reading. Students need to set up the purpose for reading. What do they need to read? What do they need to find out in that reading? A very efficient and basic strategy before reading to make sure it is the right book and find out the main idea right away is the skimming strategy. What is skimming? It's a strategy to help you find the main idea of a text or a book fast. When do we skim? You skim before you read for details, and when you have a lot to read but not much time. Why skimming? You skim to read and understand faster. You skim to know what kind of reading it is. Is it an article, a blog, an essay, a fiction, a story, etc.? You skim to get the main idea fast and decide if the text is important or interesting for you to read. So, how to skim? Read the most important parts according to this order. 1. The title. 2. Check out the image and see what is the meaning of it. 3. Subheadings or smaller titles. 4. Read the first paragraph. 5. Read the first sentence of other paragraph. 6. Read the last paragraph. When you skim a book, you can also check the author's name and see if you already know him or not. We call this prior knowledge. And of course, you can check out the preface quickly if it's for a book. Skimming is a basic and efficient strategy of the part before reading in the reading process. There are other strategies like graphic, organizer, thinking aloud, outlining, etc. All these strategies used before reading are all part of what we called active reading. If you want to know more about all other strategies and you want me to make more videos about active reading, just let me know in the comment section down below. Hope you liked that video about the first part of the reading process. Hope it can help you with your English class. Next video will be about the second part called during reading. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified when the video will come up. Make sure to push the like button for more people to know about this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. ELA Power. Take care.